Alright, ladies and gentlemen, to simply install PixelLab app on your mobile smartphone, just head over to Play Store. Head over to Play Store, then simply search for PixelLab. Exactly. When you search, you see this one, this particular one. I've already installed it, so you can see it is asking me to update. I don't need to reinstall any longer. So this is the one you are installing. Please take note of that. Then when you are done, you can now launch the PixelLab app, and then your home page is going to look something like a blank space like this. Exactly. Please, you're going to see a blank space with some templates on them. This is a pro version though, which is why you see the interface, the home interface looking differently from the one you're going to install from Play Store. So try to upgrade the version. Please note that there is no restriction to what you can do with the version you've downloaded from Play Store. So please don't bother yourself with the mode version. Please use what you have. Master the interface and then chat me up or drop a comment, then I'll drop a link for the mode version so you can download. So that's it.